The city of Ghent, located in Belgium, is a charming destination offering a combination of rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. As one of the largest cities in Belgium, Ghent presents a unique landscape where medieval charm blends seamlessly with modern city life. Ghent is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and iconic landmarks such as St. Bavon Cathedral and Gravensteen Castle. These architectural gems give visitors a glimpse into Ghent's past and offer breathtaking views of the cityscape. Tourism in Ghent has been on the rise in recent years thanks to its vibrant cultural scene and welcoming atmosphere. Travelers can visit numerous museums, art galleries, and theaters. Throughout the year, the city also hosts various festivals celebrating music, movies, food, and more. For those looking for culinary delights, Ghent offers a wide range of restaurants serving both traditional Belgian cuisine and international dishes. From quaint cafes to Michelin-starred restaurants, there is something to suit all tastes. With its convenient location in close proximity to other major European cities such as Brussels and Bruges, Ghent is an ideal base for travelers looking to learn more about Belgium. A well-developed transportation system makes it easy to travel around the city or visit nearby attractions. Whether you are interested in history, art, gastronomy, or simply immersing yourself in the vibrant city atmosphere, there is something for everyone in Ghent. Plan your visit and discover why this charming Belgian city continues to captivate travelers from around the world.